from Seattle.
Yeah.
He's out at the 120th Milwaukee Festival. I'm the Bat, right out of Chicago.
Right.
I love it here in Milwaukee. They take care of you. But hey, this is the 71 Super Beetle Bat Bug right here. Took 2 years to build in 2014, and it's certified as a motorcycle.
Motorcycle certified.
It's a motorcycle.
Can you tell me about the Bhat here?
That's a
this is awesome, man.
1600 cc engine, a dual port right there.
Oh, okay. 1600. Right.
71 Super Beetle.
Super Beetle.
This is the front part of it.
Oh, this is the front one.
That's the front part. So if you drink enough, you can drive it.
Oh, is it drinkable?
No, it's not. I said you got to drink a little bit. Use that imagination. You got to use the imagination. But this right here is the Gotham City Bar right here.
The Gotham City.
Gotham City. That's the Gotham City Bar. Of course, it's closed right now because I'm at the Harley-Davidson thing. This is where I make my fresh margaritas, and we sit back and talk motorcycle stuff until our wives call and say, "Come home."
Come home.
Right back here. That's the grown-up section.
All right.
Over here is the kids section, which is for all of us. This is the Bat Bug right here. 71 Super Beetle with some type of Kawasaki front end with a Harley fairing.
And you got all the weapons here?
No, I've been riding with this helmet for 14 years.
Oh, this helmet.
This is my helmet right here.
Oh,
yeah, I use this helmet right here to ride with.
That's awesome.
So this is the Bug. 3 people can go in the back with a seatbelt.
With the seatbelt.
What a great surprise.
And then this is the
Front end, yeah. Now, this bike carries 125 toys for Toys for Tot every year.
Every year.
Why?
That's good. So we need to,
$1 donation make a difference.
Right.
So support Greg. Watch his YouTube channel.
Yes,
He's out here relaxing.
Yeah.
GregCD
from
Seattle.
Yeah.
Support him. He's having fun out here.
Right. So this is the Bhat Mon.
And all
From Chicago.
every
Not a
February
club.
here in
We design
Milwaukee.
and make bikes, cars, everything.
Right.
Disturbing the peace. It's just relaxation. A riding crew.
Guys are cool. Thank you, man.
No worries, Greg.
Thank you.